If you are nervous or anxious about your next presentation, I'm going to give you one important exercise before the presentation. Before the presentation, take deep breath. 10 times, take deep breath, hold it, and then release it slowly. Like this. Take a deep breath, hold with your capability, and then release it slowly. Repeat it for 10 times. 10 times before the presentation, your mind will come to the present moment. And when you are in the present moment, you are going to focus on what you have to deliver, not on the problems or the thoughts. What is going to happen tomorrow if I do something wrong, if I say something wrong in the presentation, and all those things? It will go away from your mind, okay? So start focusing on these breaths. और जब आप सांस ले रहे हो तो आप अपने ब्रेथ पे फोकस कीजिए, राइट? टेक अनदर डीप ब्रेथ, होल्ड with your capability and let it go. Thank you so much. We'll meet you in the next video.